channel. My name is Sarah Veda. If you don't already know, and if you do know, then groovy. Thanks for coming back. I appreciate you. So, as you can see, I have a package here. And there's a reason I look extremely ugly right now. This box contains some hair dye. And some Manic Panic hair dye at that. I usually use Splat. Manic Panic hasn't really worked on my hair. Except for when it was pink, and it had to be the 40 wash one. I don't remember, I'll put it in here somewhere. And so I haven't used it in a long time. Splat works best on my hair. As you can see, I need to do my roots. It's looking very pinkish and stuff like that. So they were having a sell 3 for $10, and of course I need to do my roots. So, I was like, hey, I'm gonna try it. Yes, I am in workout clothes. So, we're gonna open it up. So, it's gonna be like a cute little unboxing. And we're gonna see if it works well over Splat. And what happens. And if this will work. Which I really hope it does. Because, like I said, usually Manic Panic does not do very well on my hair. But the 40 volume does pretty good. So, here's my little paper. About them saying thank you, la-di-da-di-da. Cool. Alright, so yeah. Obviously, this is pretty close to the Splat Purple Desire that I use. It's pretty dark, so obviously, I mean, I know it's going to go over pretty well. It's the ultraviolet 40 washes. And I'm probably not going to need all 3 of these. Probably like 1.5 maybe. But I don't know, I am doing my roots. So there are these, and here is the bleach kit. I've actually never used Manic Panic bleach. I've either used like the packets you get from Sally's, or I use what comes with the Splat. So I've actually never used this before, so, but we're not doing my whole head, we're just doing the roots. So yeah, and I am aware that I have, I think maybe one other video where I was actually going from red to purple. So I won't try to, you know, record too much of that. But yeah, we're going to turn this mop into something pretty and vibrant again, because I'm tired of looking at this shit. So yeah. Alright, so as you can see, y'all know that I literally pin curl my hair to section it, because I do my hair by myself. I still got to fix my bangs real quick. But, so I'm going to open this. Because like I said, I've never used this. Okay. It's got the developer with it. And I'm just also comparing this to Splat, you know, after I destroy everything. You know, because I usually use Splat. So, oh, it's kind of rounded. It doesn't want to sit. Okay. And it comes with a brush, which is cool, because I have another brush here, though. That one's mine. Well, I guess this is mine now, too, so that's cool. And it even comes, the instructions are in the box, so that's cool. No gloves. Of course, Splat gives you the largest gloves, you know, for King Kong. You know, in case King Kong wanted to do your hair, he's got a pair of gloves. And so, I mean, this is really neat that it comes like this. Obviously, I've used, like, not this brand, but, you know, like the other stuff before where you have to mix it yourself, instead of where Splat I feel like it's a little more convenient, because you know you have it in the little bottle with the nozzle and you just kind of shake it up and you're good to go. But it can also be messy too, because sometimes you don't get all of the bleach powder in there. So yeah, we're gonna mix this up, and also I do add coconut oil to, oh that's neat, it's in a little, okay, cool. But oh, just kidding. This is... Wait, what? Ah! Oh, I see. It does come with gloves. Can we just hold on a minute before I continue with this and speed it up? Can we just look at the difference between the size of gloves? That's Splat. That's Manic Panic. Hold on, y'all. I gotta put this on real quick. We're about to see the difference. Wow, that actually kind of fits my hand. I got little hands anyway. Hold up. Wait, I gotta do this real quick. I'm sorry if this is bothering you, but I just got to. Y'all, Splat needs to, that's one thing. Okay, so at least their gloves are, you know, human sized. So before we get started, it even comes with a hairnet, so I ain't got to stick a plastic bag on my head. Not that that matters. Yeah, that's actually quite a bit too. So, which is good. So, because sometimes I run out of the Splat, so. Never made an outro for the video, but yeah, this is what my hair looks like. I mean, it's pretty good. Like I said, I've used Manic Panic before, so, you know. But like, there's pros and cons to both. Like, I feel like Splat is a lot easier to, like, it's just less time consuming to put it through your hair and stuff, but I don't know. So yeah, and it worked, so that's all that matters. So thank y'all for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because it really helps my tiny ass channel, and don't forget to keep it rockin'.